So this is another vent clip tutorial. I'm using this heart mold from Natali, and then this red is from E Squared. And I sent my own beads, but if you'd like to buy them pre-scented, I can link some companies in the notes along with the other materials that I use. So you'll just put your beads in and then you'll bake just like you would any other freshie. So I do 325 for about 20 minutes. You can tell that they're baked by looking at the sides. These I probably should have baked a little longer because you can still see a lot of gaps in between the beads, and that's why my lines are a little bumpier than usual. So I'll sometimes peel the mold and check the sides to see if it's ready. I'm using a fine tip Sharpie paint pen. These are my favorite for outlining the really thin details, so I just go through and outline over all of the lines. And I'm not going to show the second one because it's all the same steps. So once you've painted your details, then you'll just need an eye screw, and then I like to use a pair of pliers to help keep it solid. So you'll just push the eye screw in, and then you'll continue turning until it is flush with your vent clip. You can give it a little tug to make sure that it's secure, and then you are finished with your vent clip, and you can do the same on the other half. This clip portion, it's just called a curtain clip. You can clip it into the vent on your car, and then your customers will just take the vent freshie and they'll just thread it over the hook, and then it can hang. And the nice thing about the shower clips is that it can clip onto any direction. Thanks for watching.